Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple of weeks. I don't make any videos. I don't post any videos. I've been dealing with family that has been sick due to this pandemic. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. That's priority number one. Anyways, last time or last video we started building the Infraction V2 after the speed crash, and we're putting the 1100 kV with the XLX2, and I am missing some parts to finish the build, but I already started. I cut the battery tray so it can fit in there without interfering with the pinion. So we're gonna put that. I have made some carbon brackets for the side skirts, something like this. I saw online some brackets, aluminum. They looked better than my carbon work, so I'm gonna wait for those to show up. We're gonna put the servo box back. We're gonna put the pinion. We are going to put the front end on the car, and we are going to put the rear. And I'm gonna see if I can install the ESC today. What I wanted to do, and I have a screw there. I wanted to screw it down to this hole that's here and put some double-sided tape. It's going to be a little bit sideways, but I want to try that before just putting it just directly on the chassis and see how that goes. So let's get started. Let's put back the servo horn. There we go. Since we're here, let's put the pinion. Now I forgot to install this here, and that's gonna go right there. Okay, so front end, it's already installed. Now we're gonna try putting back the rear end. Okay, we're gonna put the wing back. Now we're gonna put the battery tray right there. Now I'm gonna install the ESC, and I'm gonna grab it from this hole. This hole here is when you have the motor mount stock. Since we have it flipped to the other side, this one is empty. So put some red Loctite. And if you see, it's not hitting anything here, it's not hitting anything there. I have a little bracket there for the switch on off. Battery cables. And now let's see if we can install the motor wires and the sensor wire. So let's pass this underneath. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, or I should say A, B, C. Nope. Yes. Sensor wire. Let's go underneath also. There it goes. Now we have battery with 8mm bullets. We can move those out of the way, put them right there. So the only thing here is going to be the receiver wire. So first, let's cut a piece of double-sided tape. Now I'm gonna align the screw, start screwing in before I put it on the car. Okay, and that's it. But we can lift the car from the ESC, so not going anywhere. We're done here. Now we're just gonna wait for a plate to hold the side skirt here. Like I said, I made this ones out of carbon fiber that will go there. I ordered aluminum one, which I think is going to look really nice, really clean. When that comes in, I'm going to install it. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll just install this one here out of carbon fiber. Not my best work, but I'm not a pro at coating carbon fiber, but it's not the worst either. Hopefully parts come in this week, and I'm able to finish the car and go and run it and see how it does with the new XLX2 and the 1100 kV. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, for all your comments. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and I'll see you on the next video.